Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Docker into your AWS EC2 instance. So first of all, you need to launch your AWS EC2 instance. So in my case, I have already running an Nginx test instance. This is for paying Nginx server to launch in AWS through public IP. For this I have created this instance. Just connect this instance. Once you connect this, just enter sudo apt update. This is a default process you need to do every time once you launch your new instance. After this, just enter sudo apt install docker.io for y. So this command installs Docker. So I'll give in video description, you can check over there the commands. Once it is done, just enter sudo systemctl start docker. This command is to start the Docker system. Next, same sudo systemctl enable Docker. This is to enable the Docker. Once it is done, check the status of the Docker. So it is actively running. So these are all the commands which you need to perform to install and Docker into your AWS EC2 instance. So I'll mention all the commands in the video description, so you can check over there. It is quite easy to do this. So this is today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.